Hi everyone, I'm here with another airdrop. This one is calling wSHIBA, and I will show you how to collect them, the token of wSHIBA. First thing, open the Trust wallet. Open your the browser. From description below, copy and paste airdrop address in here. Don't forget to change this to Binance Smartchain network. Scroll down and click this to collect 1 million wSHIBA. I can't claim it again because I already claimed it and I have in my wallet. So you proceed. Wait a few seconds to see if the transaction is okay. Now go here. Click this. We need contract address for the tokens to add it in our wallet. This is a Binance Smart Chain scan. Here we see how many holders are, how many transfer were made, and how many total supply of wSHIB is. So now we will copy this contract address for the token. I will put in the description below the video, and I will put the link of Binance Smart Chain scan in the description. Now go back. Go to your wallet. Now click this to add token. Now you can copy from the description or you can copy from Binance Smart Chain, scan contract address and paste it in here. We see the token is already added. We must just activate it. So click this. And now click on the token. And we see our wSHIB in our Trust wallet. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. See you in the next airdrop. Bye.